I am excited to introduce you to the SDS Hpdc Kiosk machine, a powerful and innovative solution that can help streamline your high-pressure die casting process. With its numerous benefits, the SDS kiosk can help increase efficiency and productivity in your plant, as well as save time and money. Here are just a few of the many benefits you can enjoy by implementing the SDS Hpdc kiosk machine in your plant. Process benefits. Times 24/7 availability of a trainer. Times no need for a specially trained R&D team to develop new dies. Times troubleshooting casting defects with logical solutions. Times die modification solutions. Times generation of die design and Hpdc machine parameter reports with a single click. Times PQ2 analysis to check compatibility between the die and Hpdc machine. Times prediction of metal flashing and correction during the die design phase. Times determination of the number of rounds needed to get plunger high speed. Times selection of cavity filling time as per casting application. Times selection of hydraulic cylinder and mechanical finger cam to operate core in a die. Times learning opportunities for Hpdc machine operators, helpers, melting operators, engineers, supervisors, managers, and anyone in the plant who wants to learn high-pressure die casting all process. Times easy and simple setting of the first phase, second phase, and third phase speed and length. Times access to 36 special and unique die casting advanced courses in PDF format. Times live production, rejection, and downtime analysis reports. Commercial benefits. Times control over die casting rejection. Times reduce die loading and unloading time to increase machine available time. Times training for your die casting team to reduce hit and trial money. Times reduced die manufacturing time by reducing die design time. Times increase die designer productivity with a logical approach and removal of black art from your plant. Times validation of Hpdc machine parameters with a logical approach to reducing process validation time. Times reduced number of die modifications. Times 24/7 trainer and problem solver. Times reduced production, rejection, and downtime analysis. Overall, the SDS Hpdc kiosk machine is the ultimate solution for high-pressure die casting that can help you achieve significant process and commercial benefits. Don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions or would like to learn more about how the SDS kiosk can benefit your plant.